Hello everyone, my name is Thor and welcome back to Anthropology. Today we have a very exciting video. I have a package all the way from New Zealand. Now, if you saw my recent short where I unboxed the little Momo Fusan, I think that's what it's called, I basically talked about how I wanted to get a LABUBU, but was unable to do so in Canada. They are flying off the shelves, so instead I had my mom track some down in New Zealand and send them all the way to me. So that's what we have here. I know what one of them looks like. I don't know what the other one looks like, so it'll be a true unboxing for everybody. Let's get into it. One, two. Some bluebird salt and vinegar. Bluebird already salted. And a peanut slab. Stunning. Okay, let me open this one first. This is the one that I know. Okay. Before I open it, guess down below what one you think it is. Okay. Oh my god, it's so cute. Wait, maybe I'll show you first. Oh my god, it's so cute. So this is the fall, what is it? Fall and Wild LABUBU. Comes with a little outfit. So who knew that New Zealand was actually the hotspot for LABUBUs? They're impossible to get in Vancouver. I tried to get the, what is it, like Big Energy collection, but it sold out literally before I could even open the website. So I got this one instead. He's so cute. Oh my god, let me just put him here. Oh my god. Wow. I love the blue eyes, just like me. The little mountain monster. Oh, he's so cute. Okay. Now I knew about him. This one, I do not know. Okay, guess which version. Okay, so we have the Have a Seat. The box is a little squished. It flew international, so I don't know which one it is. My mom said that she did look at the card, so she knows which one it is, but these are our options here. I really like, okay, what ones do I really like? I really like Baba. I would like Baba or QQ. I like the ones with the open eyes, so Baba, QQ, or Dada. I don't really vibe with ZZ, unfortunately, or Hee is cute, but I'm not really vibing with these three, but I would love any of these. Or obviously the mystery. Okay, regular edition 1 in 6. Secret 1 in 72. Wow, that's actually quite a bit. Okay. Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh, okay, I got Cece. Oh, Cece is so cute. Wow, so soft. Oh my god, it's so cute. I don't know where I'm gonna put this, but I love it. And then it comes with the, oh, that is really cute. I love these. Honestly, I tried my best to stay away from the LABUBUs, but then I feel like it was the third iteration, the Big Energy or whatever. I was like, I freaking need one. And also when my mom started getting them, I was like, okay, I freaking need a LABUBU. But then I couldn't get a LABUBU. I was LABUBU-less. Wow. Let's get this out of here. Free him. Okay. Oh my god, he's so cute. His little outfit. My mom said this was the last one in the store, and I believe her. And then she had to get on a wait list for this one. Oh my god. I went from nothing to something so quick. I just want to apologize also. This is editing me now. I just want to apologize for the audio quality in that video. I don't know what happened to my frame. I don't know what happened to my mic. Things were weird. Things were happening. So apologize for that, but we're back now. We're back and better than ever. I wanted to also add my LABUBUs to my bags as bag charms, obviously. So I put this one, I think this is Cece. I put her on this little Lulu tote. I think how cute is that? Also, this would eat if I still had my Celine Nano, RIP, but this would eat on that. So soft, so fluffy, so cute. And then this guy, wait for it. Oh my god, how perfect is that? He looks so good on the D squared because obviously D squared is very like outdoorsy. This little guy is very outdoorsy too. I think he's bigger, maybe because he's standing, but oh my god, how cute is that? I literally love them so much. I think, like, I've always been into blind boxes, to be honest, like back in the day with Dunny. I don't know if anyone remembers those, but I was big into Dunny. I have quite a few Dunnies. They're all packed right now because we're in the process of moving, so maybe I'll show them when I do an unpacking. I don't know. But I love a good blind box because I think it's really fun. It's sort of like gambling, but with toys. And also, I saw something around Labubu's being in is sort of like a recession indicator in the sense that I was getting Dunnies probably like 2008, 2009, like let's be for real, for real. And they sort of come back. I wonder if it's due to gambling, if it's due to like the lipstick thing where it's like you spend money on like accessories or on like small little treats when times are economically tough in order to like give yourself a serotonin boost to feel better. And these, because they're so cute, because they're so hard to get, because they're relatively inexpensive, like $30, $40, and they do have that sort of gambling effect where it's like you want one, there is a ratio, an odds, if you will, and then you get one, and it's like if you get the one that you wanted, if you get the serum one, it's like, oh my god, wow, amazing. If you get one of the limited ones, like this little guy, it's even better. So yeah, I'm really curious to know what you all think. Are you all on the Labubu train? What do you think of my little guys here? Oh god, he's just so fucking cute. Yeah, I really want a Zimomo, which is like, so Labubu apparently is a girl, and she's the girlfriend, and Zimomo is the boyfriend, and he's bigger. And it's sort of like there's a large Zimomo and a like a bunch of little Labubus. I don't know. But Labubu obviously huge in Asia. They Asia fucking eats when it comes to the cutest little things ever. Like they really do it so well. I'll input the artist's name here, and I kind of want more, but also like they're kind of insane. So I don't know if I need more than two because they're so fucking cute. I just love them so much. Let me know what Labubus you have down below. Let me know if you love Labubus, if you hate Labubus, if you are a Labubu stan like me now. Let me know the versions you have. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye, guys.